GnuCash, as a free and open-source personal and small business financial accounting software, holds a unique position in the market. Its free price tag and commitment to open-source principles make it highly attractive, especially to individuals and very small businesses with limited budgets. However, as with any tool, GnuCash comes with its own set of disadvantages that are important to understand before committing your financial records to it. As an accounting software expert, I often guide clients through these considerations. 1. Steeper learning curve, especially for non-accountants. One of the most significant disadvantages of GnuCash is its reliance on traditional double-entry accounting principles. While this is a strength for those with an accounting background, it enforces accurate bookkeeping. It can be a considerable hurdle for users without formal accounting training. Unlike more modern, commercial accounting software, like QuickBooks Online or Xero, that often abstract away the debits and credits, GnuCash requires users to actively understand and apply them. Every transaction needs to be meticulously split into debits and credits across multiple accounts. For someone simply wanting to categorize income and expenses, this can feel overly complex and lead to frustration or, worse, errors in their financial records. The interface, while functional, isn't as intuitive or user-friendly as its paid counterparts, which often feature more visual cues and simplified workflows. 2. Lack of automation and manual data entry. In today's interconnected financial world, automated bank feeds are a cornerstone of efficient accounting. Many commercial software solutions can directly connect to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically importing transactions. GnuCash, by contrast, is predominantly a manual data entry system. While it can import OFX, QIF, and CSV files downloaded from your bank, this is a manual process that requires regular effort. There's no automatic, real-time syncing. This means more time spent. You'll spend more time manually entering or importing transactions. Higher risk of errors. Manual entry increases the chance of typos or missed transactions. Delayed insights. Your financial data isn't updated in real time, meaning your reports might not reflect the most current financial standing. This lack of automation extends beyond bank feeds to other areas, such as recurring invoices or complex expense allocations, which often require more manual setup and management compared to other software. 3. Limited cloud capabilities and accessibility. GnuCash is primarily a desktop application. Your financial data files are stored locally on your computer. While this offers a degree of control and privacy that some users prefer, it presents several disadvantages. No multi-user access. Simultaneous, only one person can access and edit the GnuCash file at a time. This severely limits its utility for growing businesses with multiple team members who need to collaborate on financial tasks, e.g., one person handling invoicing, another managing expenses, an accountant reviewing books. While you can share files over a network, simultaneous access is not supported, leading to potential data corruption if not managed carefully. Lack of remote access. You can only access your financial data from the computer where GnuCash is installed. This is a significant drawback in an era where business owners and accountants expect to access their books from anywhere, on any device. Backup responsibility. Data backup is entirely your responsibility. If your hard drive fails, and you haven't diligently backed up your GnuCash file, you risk losing all your financial records. Cloud-based solutions often handle automatic backups, providing greater peace of mind. Limited mobile functionality. While there are third-party mobile apps for GnuCash, like GnuCash Android, they are often limited to basic transaction entry and don't offer the full functionality or real-time syncing of the desktop version. 4. Scalability issues for growing businesses. For very small businesses or personal finance management, GnuCash can be sufficient. However, as a business grows and its financial needs become more complex, GnuCash's limitations become more apparent. No integrated payroll. As discussed in a previous article, GnuCash does not have a built-in payroll module. Businesses with employees will need a separate payroll service or a highly manual, error-prone external process. Limited inventory management. While GnuCash has some features for tracking investments, it's not a robust inventory management system for businesses that buy and sell physical goods. Basic invoicing and accounts receivable/payable. While you can create invoices and track AR/AP, the features are less sophisticated than dedicated business accounting software. For example, recurring invoices or advanced payment reminders might require manual workarounds. Lack of advanced reporting customization. While GnuCash offers a good range of standard reports, customizing them to meet specific business needs can be challenging, often requiring knowledge of scheme scripting for more complex modifications.